This is Grace Lee chasing a fly. I just got a video of her inside, but then I come outside and she's having so much fun with this fly. She's an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire. Waiting for her forever home at PetSmart by Target in Nashua, off Route 101A. I just love Grace Lee. She is a cuddly. You're gonna fall down. Yeah. She's just so loving. You're gonna get that fly, huh? It's just a fabulous cat. About the only thing that she doesn't like are dogs and too much busyness. She would be happier with older children, I think. She's very cuddly and good with children. As long as the good children are good with you too, right girl? So, you gonna give up now? Huh, Grace? Did you catch that fly? Bye, girl. You all done? She just has the most fabulous face. Bye, Grace.